Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamalla and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL. Today we are going to learn about SQL where clause. Where clause is used to filter a record and you can see the syntax here. Select column name from what is the table name and a where condition. Where condition is not only used in select statement and it is also used in update and delete statements also. Let's go to the SQL and verify that. So here I already created a table called employee and I already inserted some values into this table. Let me select this. What is the table name? Let me run this now. So we have these details in this table. So now what I will do, I need the department 10. So let's see that I need what and all there in this department 10. So where department number equal to 10. So let me run this now. So we got what are the departments 10 and we can change other departments like 20. If we run this, see we got the data. Now my condition is I want a serial number 5. What is there in serial number 5? Where condition serial number equal to 5. Let me run this. See, we got serial number 5. I hope you understand the video. If you don't understand the video, whatever point you didn't understand, put a comment in the below section. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, comment and click on bell icon. Thanks. Bye.